scary simple. Two. Need an extension. One, two. Holy shit, that's the wrong goddamn way. One, two. One's behind the socket. One, that's two. Back to normal. One. Okay, so that's two. One. That's two as well. Not quite yet. Three. Makes four. Three. That makes four. Alright, I'm going to do six. Five. Pretty loose. That's six. Five and six. That's it. That should be it. I don't know. Doesn't want to give it. Alright, I'm gonna go 7. I'm gonna go 8. 7. 8 turns. Seven. That makes a total of 8. It's all time done. Axle bolt. Axle nut. Out. Oh. Rubber mallet. Gotta be looking for these spacers. I'm gonna put white out on the outer edge. Same with this guy on this side. White out outer edge. There we go. Okay. Axle pull. More persuasion is needed. Alright, let's hope this motherfucker just doesn't fall on me. Okay. Looking for this back spacer to fall to the ground. It didn't. But here's your axle. Got a bunch of grease on it. Be careful. Setting it in my drawer. Oh yeah. Okay. Supposedly, I can just lift it up now, and this back tire is going to want to come out. There's front spacer. See, I already forgot, but front spacer is marked to the outside. So this way, spacer on this side, white out to out. Same with this one. Leave outer edge, big spacer, left side. Might have to fucking take the fender off. I'll see. Caliper seems to be in the way. See, got the whole thing off right like that. Okay, big zip tie. Always keep this shit. Ooh, 2 of them. Alright, gotta keep some of this shit in here. In your roadside kit always. Anywho, really doing this video to see how fast I can get this done. Most of it was already done. This is the scary part and the parts that I want to remember. So, it looks like the thing's free. It looks like I'm just going to roll it right the fuck out of here. The glory of my bike. Just the little nuances. Just keep getting you, you know? Oh. Alright. Definitely didn't want to do that. Fucking hell. But, should be tough. There it is. However long it's taken me. Let's see here. Looks like I'm at 10 minutes right now. There you go.